guys, like there's a lot of cats up here. How the hell did it get up there?
I don't know.
Oh my god, it's like what? How did it get up there?
I don't know.
Oh my god. How did you get up there, little fella? I think why are you under the car? He's on the freaking garage door. I think he went up to the oh my god, there's another one on there. That just come here. Look, there's another one. Oh, there's another one right there. What? How are these? Why are these?
Why do I have all these cats in here?
What the? What the hell? Oh my god. Look at how terrifying that is, guys. Oh my god.
Cole, shut up.
Why is there 2 cats? There must be more. There has to be more somewhere. This just got weird, man. How did he get, I
don't know.
think they got up on that black thing right there.
I'm watching what he's doing. Ah.
Oh, so that's how you got up there, you little fatty.